what you would need to do in order to accept a MCC linking request from our MCC is you're going to log into ads.google.com. You need to be signed in under in your Chrome browser. That is the email that you use you had used to sign into your Gmail, your Google Analytics, those sorts of things. When you're signed into that under your Chrome browser and you go to ads.google.com, it'll automatically take you to your account. From there, you're either going to have two different views of what that looks like. So I'll walk you through both of them. This would be the first one right here. You would go to admin, you would go to access and security. From there, you would click on managers, and then there would be a blue button that said a linking request sent from our MCC that you would hit accept. The second would be on the previous design. Tools and settings would be up here at the top. So you log into your Google Ads account the same way. You would go to tools and settings. You would go to access and security from there, and then that is how you would find the managers thing. And again, the linking request would be right here above this section, and it would be a blue button, super hard to miss. Let me know if you have any questions.